Welcome guys, welcome to Amalicious Cooking. Today we'll be cooking curry chicken, so let's get right into it. I hope you like this one today. I've added black pepper, a bit more curry. Here I've got 2 stalks of scallion, sweet pepper, 1 large onion, thyme, and 1 clove of garlic. So I've chopped my onion, garlic, pepper, spring onion, thyme, and tomato. And I'm going to also add this green scotch bonnet pepper, just a bit. Combine it all, mix it up thoroughly, and let it marinate for about 2 hours. It's now combined, and I'm going to pop this in the fridge and come back to it after 2 hours. So guys, I've turned it on the other side. Now turn on the other side. I'm just browning it slightly, let the chicken cook. I've added water to the pot now, so it's just coming up to boil. So I'm going to let this cook. Well, this is halfway through the stages. It's not complete yet. Right, it says it's now finished. This is the end, guys. So that's the end. That's what it looks like. Curry chicken. Just got some red peppers in it, so you can see the red peppers. I don't mind vegetable. Well, thank you for watching.